Luminous range, practice problem 3. Alrighty. Number 3 reads, the light list shows that a navigational light has a nominal range of 14 miles and the visibility is 5.5 miles. What's the luminous range? Let's record our information. It says nominal range is 14 miles and the luminous range, or excuse me, the visibility is 5.5 miles. 5.5 and says, what's the luminous range? So what's the luminous range? So nominal range assumes a visibility of 10 nautical miles. That's what nominal range is all about. To get the answer, we go to our diagram here. And nominal range is along the bottom, so we find 14. See here, there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're at this tick mark. Right here. And then I make sure it's just basically stays parallel. And now we get to our visibility curve. Our visibility is 5.5. Here's our curves: 50 yards, 200 yards, 500, half nautical mile, 1, 2, 5.5 nautical miles. That's convenient. So this curve intersects us right here. And now we follow it over to one of the sides. Both sides will have luminous range on them. And then put a little tick here. And okay, 8. So this middle tick is 9, and then that's 10. So we are very close to this 9 tick. So we're going to say 9 and then see how close we are. These might not come out exactly, but they're going to be darn close. So we looked at 9. Problem 3. Hey, look at that. 9. B. Let's check it. And 3 is B. Excellent. We're going to keep cruising on to practice problem 4. If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider for your captain's license.